In this video I'm gonna cover calculus 1. I'm gonna cover let's say you were given 1 plus y prime. So I talked about the y prime beginning cal 1 and y rate of change. So what is that all about? Y prime, anything you see a prime is rate of change, and yeah, going back to the and finding the change for original position that you going back to. So let's say 1 over y prime 2 square root x plus y, with all this is equal to 2 x square y prime plus 2xy square, and you have to find a y prime. You were asked to find a y prime. So and now you have to think, in order to fix what you're supposed to do, try to move this to other side here. In order to do that, you have to cancel. How you gonna cancel? You're just gonna multiply the same thing, okay? So, and what you're gonna do is 1 plus y prime over 2 square root x plus y, multiply the same thing, 2 square root, should do like that, and here also, so, and then x plus y, right? So, and they cancel each other. So since you multiply here, you have to multiply to the other side. 2x squared y prime plus 2x y square, with all this multiplied by 2 square root x plus y, that comes from the other side. So now you have a x plus y prime, right? Now you have x, now you have 1 plus y prime, that's what you have, equal to this. So this has to be multiplied by all this, distribution. So what do you have? 1 plus y prime equal to, so this part times this, and then this part times this. So what are you gonna get? The first one you're gonna get 4 x square, and you're gonna get the y, right? The square belongs to the x, so y prime, right? y prime square root, because 2 and 2 is what gives you 4x square root x plus y, right? Plus, and then the same thing, 2 times 2 4 x y square root x plus y, right? So now you have to move y prime, because we need to find a y prime, right? So this has to move to the other side. Anytime where you move in one thing, it changes the sign. So what do you have here? 1 plus, and then with all this 4x square y, I should have put in here equal, I think, yeah, y prime square root x plus y plus 4x y square root x plus y minus 1, no, minus y prime, sorry, y prime moved from the other side. Now we have to move, what we're gonna move, we should move this as a square root of y, and this have square root of, this has a y, and this have x. So I think you can move this, right? So then you will have, how you move, you subtract for the same, you know. So when you subtract in here too. So here you will have 1 minus 4x square y prime square root x plus y equals the negative sign, equal, then we have 4, I think, yeah, this have a what, a y square, right? So this has a y square, and here we have y prime, you know, here we have y prime, and here we have a y square. So now we move it, the y square, 1 minus y square, so we move it 1 minus y square, and this is, and this one has y prime, this one has y prime, and this does not have a y prime, and we need y, find y prime, right? So we can move instead this, I think we can move it, you know, long time didn't do the calculus, so yeah, let's go. What about, because I realized something. So y prime, right, and y prime here plus, right? So we will move the one that does not have the y prime, right? So now what we're gonna do is we will move in the other side with the y square one. So 1 minus, we just subtracting this, then we subtracting here too. That's how you move in the other side. 4x y square, right, x plus y, right? So equal to we have 4x square y prime, right, square root x plus y minus y prime. You see, that's the reason I was trying to explain. Instead moving this expression, is good to move the other one, because this one has y prime and now you have y prime, so you can do the, you know, distribution of multiplication. So yeah, I'll show you. Now we can change this. We can say 1 minus 4x y square square root x plus y equal to, see, we have here y prime, and then we have here y prime. So we can say y prime times, right, 4x square 4x square y 4x square 4x square, I should put here 4x square y is missing there, 4x square y, right, 4x square y square root x plus y, right, times 1, right? So if I multiply y prime here, I will get this part, right? And if I multiply y prime, I will get y prime for the 1 times y prime is the y prime, and you will get this, right? Now, but ideally I separated, right? So y prime is here because we have to find a y prime. So now we can say this is equal to 1 minus 4xy square square root x, right, all over because we are dividing this here, the same thing, 4x squared y x plus 1 x plus 1, we divided x plus y, here I should put minus, okay, minus 1, so they cancel each other, so I have to divide here too. What are we gonna say? 4x square y square root x plus y minus 1. See now, the y prime equal to, now we have y prime standing alone, right? So what can you do here? Nothing, because this expression, this one, 4x square, and with the y with the square root minus 1, nothing you can change here, so you can leave it like that, right? You can leave it like that. So y prime is equal to 1 minus 4xy square square root x plus y all over 4x square y square root x plus y negative 1. Done. This is your final answer for y prime.